Mmm, yummy. What? No, that's not the right chicken. Back to our story. Max has been raised in an apartment. So, from these early puppy days, he has been socialized with all that makes sense in the context of the apartment. He is very familiar with chicken, but that comes in a cooked form. We mix it with his Royal Canin kibbles and he loves it. But what happens when he finds a chicken moving on the road when he's out for a walk? Ooh. The hunter in his blood wakes up. And here comes the reaction. Even at that moment, someone came to take a picture with Max. How does your dog react when a live chicken moves around? Let us know in comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.